On our quest to prove Meriwether Lewis was murdered because of top-secret intel he gathered from his famed expedition, we've just uncovered that a senior American military general named James Wilkinson was tipping off the Spanish about Lewis's whereabouts with encrypted cipher letters.
We need a code breaker.
So we sent these coded letters to one of the world's leading cryptologists
Kevin.
to hopefully break the code and solve this murder mystery once and for all.
Did you get a chance to take a look at some of those documents we sent over?
Yeah, man, I love these things, these historical ciphers.
Master codebreaker Kevin Knight has cracked some of history's most famous ciphers, using his powerful proprietary computer software known as Carmel, which simulates the neural network of the human brain. If anyone can break these ciphers, it's Kevin.
So were you able to make any sense of those letters we sent?
Even with massive amount of computing power, it's hard to make progress unless we know what kind of key we're dealing with. The key, this is kind of like a password to the cipher.
So the key is a word, it's a number, how does it work?
It's kind of a system.
Okay.
So Wilkinson, he's used a pocket dictionary, a kind of common dictionary called the NTEC Pocket Dictionary.
According to Kevin, encrypted words within the cipher are comprised of two numbers and a symbol that represent the page, row, and column of an NTEC Pocket Dictionary. As long as the sender and receiver both have the same dictionary, you can decipher the key word and unlock the coded message.
Okay, let's take a look.
With over 50 versions of this dictionary in existence, it's impossible to determine which one Wilkinson used.
And get this thing going. We can make some progress.
However, Kevin was able to source 5 versions of the NTEC dictionaries, which he's programmed his powerful Carmel software to decode.
What it's come up with is blank, been made the blank, from the blank, and to blank.
Kind of impossible to figure out what it means.
Yeah, we've got some of the words, but we've only got the little words. What we really want are the bigger words that are in between.
Then, Carmel's powerful artificial intelligence fills in the gaps of the partial solution with the most likely remaining words.
We've got a possible hit on the word Burr.
Who was Burr?
Well, I mean, think about the time period, man. I mean, the most famous Burr of that time period is Aaron Burr.
Aaron Burr is one of the most infamous figures in U.S. history. He's the man responsible for killing Alexander Hamilton in a duel. And during the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition, was the vice president under Thomas Jefferson.
Why would he be naming the vice president of the United States so many times in a secret language?
That's big.
We need to figure out if this is actually referring to Burr, what Burr had to do with Wilkinson.
Yeah.